Are you looking to live a healthier lifestyle but don't know where to start? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing 5 easy ways to live healthier today. Tip number 1. Drink more water. Water is essential for our bodies to function properly. It helps to regulate body temperature, aids in digestion, and flushes out toxins. By drinking more water, you can improve your overall health and feel more energized. Tip number 2. Eat more vegetables. Vegetables are packed with essential vitamins and nutrients that our bodies need. By adding more vegetables to your diet, you can reduce your risk of chronic diseases and improve your overall health. Tip number 3. Stretch more often. Stretching is important for maintaining flexibility and preventing injuries. By stretching more often, you can improve your range of motion and reduce muscle tension. Tip number 4. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise has numerous benefits for our bodies, including improving heart health, reducing stress, and boosting mood. By incorporating exercise into your daily routine, you can improve your overall health and well-being. Tip number 5. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and aware of your thoughts and feelings. By practicing mindfulness, you can reduce stress, improve focus, and boost your overall well-being. And there you have it, 5 easy ways to live healthier today. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can improve your overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.